Okay, just because I'm in the beautiful country of Iceland doesn't mean I'm going to stop giving you trade breakdown. Today we're going to be going through another trade breakdown on euro dollar. It was a loss, a -1%. Subscribe if you're new and let's get into it. Oh yeah, also stay tuned for the Iceland trading and traveling vlog, which is going to be insane. This place is beautiful. Okay guys, welcome, and now we're going to go through this other trade I took on euro dollar as well. This was another short. As you can see from the previous video as well, this was pretty much on this the next day, so we were very bearish still. I don't know how the euro is right now, but at this point we were bearish. So as I said before, I was targeting these levels and mainly these equal lows right there and a big figure psychological number 2. So jumping down to the 1 hour, what was I seeing coming into session? This was taken on the 26th. So if we just forward, okay, Wednesday. So what was I seeing? So you know, it was much similar like to the other one, right? I mean, we were displacing down. There was an order block right there as well. We had areas of value and interest above that we could tap into, something, you know, coming into session, something like this, sweeping this liquidity as well, and then plummeting down. So that was the, you know, the analysis basically on the hour chart, and it's agreeing with the bearish daily buys, which is always a good sign. Now, jumping down to the 15-minute, what did I want to see? I wanted to see liquidity. I wanted to see a liquidity sweep off here, which is the Asian high anyway. So right there. And there was a liquidity above there too, so liquidity there. And if you really want to go higher, then there's obviously these fair value gaps right there to target. So we had areas of value for sure. So this is what I was looking for. Now if we skip forward to session, what happened? So as you can see, at 2 o'clock we entered this fair value gap. There's also liquidity resting there and another fair value gap to tap into. So we can delete all of this stuff. We're reacting to this fair value gap. So now if we drop down to the 4-minute or the entry time frames, what do we see? So we've pretty much gone past this fair value gap, filled it in, not showing much weakness. So I want to see weakness around these areas now. So now if we go skip past, there you go. So a beautiful wick rejection coming off this area. And now I want to see a swing low being broken, which it does right there. So the swing low gets broken right there. We have a fair value gap right there showing imbalance. Entry was right there. We had a 7 pip, so pretty much covering the swing high as well, which is really convenient. And then a 1 to 2 somewhere like that. So we did come down after a bit, but then we just ended up going up. So that was pretty much the trade. I believe there was no SMT and there was no entry on the 5-minute when I'm looking at it. Yeah, there was no entry on the 5-minute. There was on the 4-minute, but this was the entry. And pretty much, yeah, hope you guys got a ton of value from this. This was a loss, and it's so fascinating. You're on a winning streak, and the moment you lose one trade, you feel like you're going to start losing all of them. It's like such a fascinating and psychological game, trading, right? But that was a trade. I hope you got a ton of value from it once again, and I will see you guys in the next video. So happy trading, stay safe, and I hope you guys have an amazing next week.